Hello everybody, it's Ink, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I always say that when I do these kind of things. I wanted to make a custom RX-78, or more accurately, as you can probably tell from the way that it's posed, a final shooting, because this is the entry grade. I stole the head for my revive because I like the mold better, and I want to do something with it, so might as well do something that doesn't require the head. Now, I did get a little ahead of myself. I did already mold the parts. Actually, I'm not sure how well this is going to show up with the lighting. Yeah, this is literally white Play-Doh and a staple that I cut up. You don't exactly need, like, high quality stuff. I'm going to be painting over this anyway, so I wasn't really too worried about using, like, a proper putty or something. And the good news is, I've already given this a few days to dry, so we can get right to painting. Which really is the important part of this. So anyway, give me a moment. Anyway, I'm just going to be mixing medium gray and black to get a nice dark gray, probably similar to what I painted here on the knee actually. So, say 3 drops of gray, and I won't be needing that anymore. And just like 1 drop of black should be fine. Might not even need all of that. Anyway, just give me a minute to stir this up, and then I'll be right back. Alright. Let's start with this little insert I made for underneath the arm here, because there's a bit of a gap and I wanted to fill that in. Yeah, that's a pretty good substitute, and of course it dries a little bit darker anyway, so. And this is just the first coat. I'm gonna do another one anyway, just to make sure that it's properly covered. So that's fine. Next up, let's do the neck piece, which is just going to look a lot better once I get some gray onto it, to be honest. Maybe let's give that a minute to dry. While we're doing that, we can do a little bit of painting on this. I was thinking of doing white on the sides, but honestly, once it's inside this, you're not going to be able to see that anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm not gonna need that much silver. because I'm just doing dry brushing, so that doesn't really need a lot. And actually, I'm not even going to dry brush that piece. I'm only going to do a very small amount of it on this one. Alright, I gave it a minute to dry, and now we can actually do a light black wash. Anyway, the custom parts are done. I'm not sure if you want to call that custom parts, but I guess technically it does count. I'm going to save the rest of this wash to do a little bit of work on the actual kit itself, and I'll be back in a moment. Alright, and is everything painted up? Get this out of the way, hopefully that fixes the lighting a little bit. And you can see just, focus, yeah, just a bunch of small scratches everywhere. I didn't want it to be too heavy because it would look weird, but, you know, a little bit of damage. Then, you know, heavier damage where it's actually been destroyed, including a black wash and you know, a little bit on the arm. Nothing too crazy, but it does look really nice, so, yeah, I was wondering what I was going to end up doing with the entry grade, and having sort of a fixed diorama of the final shot, I think that works. So anyway, thanks for watching, and enjoy sort of a little overview of it.